abundance, appreciation, and value to all. I see, my people. It is Sunday, October 22nd, 2023, on the Gregorian calendar, Eastern Standard Time, around 3 p.m., Mansfield, Ohio. Light sun flickering, multiple colors, multiple objects. Purple lens flare, blue and red Kachina. High UV index. What's at a 8.59. 8.59. Anything over the level 3 gives other races the highest form of skin cancer, melanoma. Search up photodermatitis. It's an allergic reaction from the sun. I am all that is natural, and all that is natural is me. I eat the sun. Created the sun. And I am organic to the planet. Not everyone can explain their biological makeup to the planet. This is the age of Aquarius, where the truth is more disturbing than the lie. Stay ready, stay prepared, stay focused. As I come. Too much of a high frequency. Yeah. This will be in 20%.